Hello, Lam. Hello, Lam. Good evening and welcome to our class today. It's nice to see you again. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine. Okay, so are you ready to start our class today? Ready?
Hey,
Okay, so please, Lam, listen to teacher and eyes on teacher, okay?
hey,
Okay? Okay, so we will finish this lesson. What color is this?
it is color yellow.
How this one?
This color red.
Right. This.
This is a tape.
Oh, this one.
It is a notebook.
Notebook.
It is a pen.
Very good. Good job. Now, look at the picture. Look at here. Look at the picture and here and read the question, okay? Can you read the
What
question?
is it?
Very good. What is it?
What is it?
Ah,
What is it? A backpack.
very good. It's a backpack. Look at the picture here, okay?
What color it is?
What color is the backpack? What color is her backpack? Look at this one. What color?
Color red.
Very good. Its color. Its color.
Color red.
Red. Okay, third question.
What is the girl's name?
Very good. What is the girl's name?
Mm,
What's her name? Look at the picture. What's her name? Can you find her name? What's her name?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Look at here. What's her name? Grace. What's her name?
Please.
Grace. Very good. Her name is Grace. Okay. Can you read the question?
What color is the pot?
Hey, again,
Paint.
can you read the question one more time, please?
What color is the paint?
Very good. What color is the paint? Look at the paint in the picture.
Color yellow.
Very good. Its color yellow. Very good, Lamb. Okay, so we will proceed to another lesson. Okay, now look. Look at the picture. What can you see? Look at the picture, Lamb. What can you see?
Happy birthday, Ben.
Very good. It's Ben's birthday. Okay, can you read the question, please?
How old is Ben?
How old is
8.
Ben? Very good. Ben is 8 years old. Okay, can you read?
How many games are these?
Are there? Again, how
Are
many?
there?
Again, how many?
How many games are there?
Very good. Look at the picture. How many games are there? How many games? How many games?
One.
One game?
Mm,
There are how many games? One game?
One.
Okay. One game. Okay. Can you read the question, please?
His sister is named
What is his sister's name? What's his sister's name? His sister's name is again
Grace.
Grace. Very good. Can you read the question, please?
What is his brother name?
Very good. What is his brother's name? His brother's name is
Ten. Ten.
again
Ten.
Ted.
Ten.
One more
Ten.
time. Ted. Very
Ten.
good. Very good. His brother's name is Ted. Good job. Okay, now here, look at the second picture. What can you see? What can you see?
Birthday Kim.
Very good. It's Kim's birthday. Who is Kim? Can you circle Kim? Can you circle Kim, please? Where's Kim? Is this Kim? No. How about this one? Is this Kim?
No.
No. How about this one? Is this Kim?
Yes.
Very good. Good job. This is Kim. And who is this?
A grandmother.
Very good. It's Kim's grandmother. How about this one?
Uh,
Who is this?
a grandfather.
Very good. It's Kim's grandfather. How about this one?
Dad.
It, it's Kim's dad. Very good. How about this one?
Father.
Again?
A mother.
Very good. It's Kim's mother. How about this one?
A brother.
Very good. It's Kim's brother. Okay, look at Kim. Why Kim is happy? Look at Kim.
Yes.
Why Kim is happy? Why Kim is smiling? Why? What's this? Kim has a what's this? Kim has a again. Kim has a
Here.
very good. Kim has a gift. Good job. Okay, now look and read. Okay, put a check or a cross in the box. Okay. For example, can you read this one, Lamb?
Those.
Very good. Two dolls. Are they two dolls? Yes or check or wrong?
One. Two.
Very good. One, two. Check or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. Very good. How about the second one? Is this a chicken? Can you read?
No.
Can you read?
Chicken.
Very good. Is this a chicken?
No.
Correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Very good. Who is she?
A grandmother.
Is she a grandmother?
Hmm?
Is she a grandmother?
Yes, it is.
Correct? Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. Very good. Look, can you read
Paramedics.
again?
By
Marbles.
bubbles.
Very good. 5 marbles. Look at the picture. Is it a 5 marbles? Can you count? How many marbles?
Wrong.
No. Is it correct or wrong?
Run.
Wrong. Very good, Lamb. Okay, now activity letter D. Look and read, okay? You will write yes or no,
Yes or
okay?
no.
Very good.
One bone. Yes.
Very good. Can you circle the one ball?
Yes.
How many ball?
One.
One. Very good. How about this one?
7 kites.
Very good. 7 kites. How many kites are there in the picture?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Is it yes or no?
No.
No. Very good. How about this one?
5 car.
Again?
5 car.
Cars.
Car.
Cars.
Cars.
Very good. 5 cars. Look at the picture. Is it a 5 cars?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars.
Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Very good, Lamb. How about this one?
1 doors.
One doll.
No.
Is it one
One.
doll? Let's count.
No.
How many
2.
dolls are there?
1, 2.
Very good. There are two
2 doors.
two dolls. Very good, Lamb. Okay, now let's proceed to another lesson. Okay, so what is this? What's this? It's a it's a frog. Very good. How many frog are there?
There are 2. What?
Very good. There are two frog. How about this one? What is this?
It is a spider.
Very good. It's a spider. How many spider are there?
2. There are 2.
Very good. There are two spiders. How about this one? What's this?
2. mm, Turtle.
Turtle. Very good. How many turtle are there?
There are 2. Turtle.
There are two turtles. Very good. Okay, now where can you read this one?
Where is the ball?
Okay, where is the ball? The ball is
The ball is water.
in the water or in the
In the water. The ball is
the ball is Where's the ball? The ball is in the
Water.
in the water. How about this one? Where's the ball?
The ball is under the
Under the
um,
under the
rock.
very good. Under the rock.
Rock.
Very good job. Okay, so can you read this one? Where are?
Where are the giraffe?
Very good. Where are the giraffes? Is the giraffes is in the trees or in the lake or in the rock? Where can you see the giraffe? Is it letter A? You can see the giraffe in the trees. Or B, you can see the giraffe in the lake or river. Or C, you can see the giraffe in the rock. Where can you see the giraffe? In the
Water.
very good. In the water or in the river. Okay? Okay, now we have here the activity B. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing?
The boy is driver a bike.
Very good. Look at this one. What is the grandpa and his grandson doing?
He and she is
They are, can you say they are?
they are some
They are
they are
exercising.
exercising. Sizing.
Very good. Again, what did the grandpa and his grandson doing?
They are jumping.
Exercising.
So
Can you read this one? Can you read this one?
is sizing.
Very good. They are exercising. How about this one? What did the two girls doing? What they are
To
doing? The two girls.
ball. Soccer.
Again, again, the two girls.
They soccer.
Very good. They are playing soccer ball.
Ball.
Very good. Now, how about this girl? What is she doing? What is she doing? The girl is the girl is The girl is watching.
A flower.
Very good. Again, what is she doing?
The girl is watching the flowers.
Very good. Good job. Okay, how about this one? What did grandpa and his granddaughter doing?
They are they are fly a kite.
Very good. They are playing a kite. Good job, Lamb. Now we have activity letter C. Look at the pictures and look at the letters, okay? So you're going to write the letters in a correct word, okay? Okay? How about,
Okay.
okay, look at the first picture. For example, what's this?
It is a tree.
Very good. It is a tree. What is the first letter?
T
T,
R
R.
E
Very good. Ah,
tree.
tree. Now, the second picture, what is this?
It is a turtle.
A turtle. What is the first letter?
T U
T,
R T
U,
U R
R,
A L
T, Tur. What's the next letter? T, U, R, T, and L. And the last letter is
turtle.
E. Very good.
It
It's very good. How about this one? What is this?
is a bear.
It's a bear. Again, it's
A
a
bear.
bear. Very good. What is the first letter?
B
B,
N I R
E, next,
I
A.
R.
Very good. R. Good job. How about this one? What is this?
It is a snake.
A snake. What is the first letter?
S A
S,
N
A,
N
A.
K.
What is the next letter? S,
S E
and very good. A, very good. What letter is this? K, very good. And the last letter is E. Good job. Very good. Now, can you read these words again, please?
tree.
Tree,
Turtle.
turtle,
Bear.
bear,
Snake.
snake. Very good. Okay, for today's in this activity, letter D, lamb, you're going to read this, okay, and choose a word from the picture below. So we have here a blank, okay? So we have here a missing words. So you can choose here, okay? Monkeys, on, under, lake, or tree, okay? To complete these sentences, okay? You choose here, okay? Here. Okay, Lam?
Okay.
Okay. Now, look at the picture first. Look. Look at this picture. Okay, can you read?
Meaning.
My name. Again, my name.
My name is B
Bill.
Bill. This is the zoo. I can see
I can
trees.
see, again, I can see
I can see trees
trees.
and a text.
Very good.
I can see three turtles
In the, where's the three turtles? Look at the picture.
in the lake.
Very good. In the lake. Good job.
Lions are under the tree.
Very good. Under the tree.
Look, the
The the blanks are on the rocks.
monkey,
Very good.
the monkey are
Monkeys.
on the
Say
rock.
monkeys. Monkeys.
Monkey, monkeys
Monkeys.
are on the rocks.
Very good.
And like the elephants, they are in the driver.
River. In the river. Again, they are.
They are in the river. They are the kangaroo. Look, they are
Where's the kangaroo? They are
on under the hill.
on
On,
the.
on the hill.
Very good.
Let's
Hurry.
see the
Again.
tiger.
Hurry. Again. Here. Hurry.
Hurry. Let's see the tiger.
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 Again. Tigers.
Tigers.
Very good. Good job. Very good, Lamb. Okay, now let's proceed to another activity. Okay, so here you are going to put a color. Okay?
Color.
Okay, now what's this?
This is a bear.
A bear. What color will you put here in the bear? What color do you want?
Color. Brown.
Brown? Okay, so we will put the bear color brown. Okay. How about this one? What is this? What is this?
This is a bike.
This is a bike. What color is the bike?
Color red.
Color red. Okay. Let's put a color on this bike. Okay. Okay. Now another one. What are these?
Stones.
Huh?
This is a car.
A
Cars.
cars. Very good. What color is the cars?
Color blue.
Color blue. Let's color it color blue. How many cars are there?
Six. Color.
Very good. There are six. There are six cars. Okay, and I think, Lam, our time is over. We will finish this lesson in our next class, okay? Okay? Okay, thank you so much, Lam, and you did a great job today. Clap your hands, very good. Yay! Okay, so see you in our next class, okay? Have a great night and take care always. Bye, Lam.